Greetings, I'm Norva, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, let it go ahead and let it fly. Okay? Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. All right, let's see what y'all got going on. What is anchoring this reading? All right, what's going on with the collective? What's going on? Fire sign could be significant. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius is definitely significant to this reading. What's going on with this fire sign? It could be Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. What's happening? Fire sign. Fire sign. What's happening with this fire sign energy? I'm seeing rider. Number one could definitely be significant here. There's an energy of alignment. Being aligned or alignment. The number one could be significant. The number 9, 91, 19. 9 and 1 is 10. I'm seeing the 9 of cups out here. There's an energy of love, self-love, wish fulfillment, very protective over your heart or your emotions. Let's go ahead and clarify rider. Receiving news, updates, or important information in a fast-paced. Expecting a message, a possible encounter with a distant friend, or a long-awaited meeting. Development of affairs, reaching a new level, promotion, and decisive action, and modern context. The rider. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify the rider. So it's definitely talking about you guys. Oh, that's what jumped out. Starseed, number 53 can definitely be significant. Interdimensional being, galactic being, starseed. So you guys getting ready to receive good news, updates, or important information. A possible encounter, expect a message from a distant friend or a long-awaited meeting. It's talking about you reaching a new level, promotion, and making decisive actions. Climbing the career ladder, achieving personal goals, and reaching a higher status. Rider. This is almost like the chariot. Some sort of victory. One more for rider. Look, Earth Angel. And at the bottom of the deck, I am seeing a mature man. Number 5. So this could be like some sort of older masculine or something like that. Some older masculine energy might be involved in this. Just like even on this bike, the man has gray hair in his beard. And I'm definitely seeing like there's an energy of a star seed. And like I stated before, there is some sort of a message, from a trusted individual. Someone that you can trust. Number 22, someone that's bringing balance. And I'm seeing an earth angel. Is what I'm seeing here. Let's go ahead and clarify a little bit further. Let's go ahead and clarify star seed. Would you mind clarifying star seed, please, Spirit? Star seed. Star seed. Star seed. That card done rolled all the way over there, y'all. Wait a minute. Y'all picked it up with the world in reverse, so it seems like a cycle that has not been closed out, something that hasn't been closed or didn't close from the past. I'm definitely seeing an energy of celebration or something like that. And I'm seeing that there's a King of Cups energy, Pisces, masculine or feminine energy, or it could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Water sign could be significant, especially when it comes to the star seed. I'm seeing that there was definitely some sort of betrayal. Okay, there was an energy of some sort of betrayal. Someone got backstabbed. Okay, betrayed. Star seed. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles. Whoever you are, there's an energy of luxury. There's an energy of independent wealth or independent stability. Starseed. Yeah. And there's an energy of you guys walking away or have walked away or something like that. There's an energy of travel here. There's an energy of you guys turning your back on somebody or something. Yeah, there's an energy of you just simply withdrawing your energy, withdrawing your time, withdrawing yourself from some sort of situation. Mm. After some sort of betrayal, after you got backstabbed. But here's the thing, after walking away, I'm seeing that whatever this is that you walked away from, it's still, the cycle is still open. Now, with this Three of Cups, like I stated, there's an energy of celebration, but this Three of Cups could also symbolize like a third party. Some sort of third party interference could be significant as well from the past. Let's go ahead and clarify this trusted. Clarify trusted energy. What's going on with this trusted? All right, so we definitely have the Most High out here with the Hierophant. Clarifying this trusted, I'm definitely seeing an energy of nostalgia. Children might be significant as well. This is definitely talking about something from the past. This could even go back to his childhood or something like that. And I'm seeing an energy of somebody in regret trying to extend some sort of offer. And I'm seeing like someone's going through a death and a rebirth. There's a change going on here. And you guys could possibly have children with this person, but I'm definitely seeing like a death and a rebirth. Okay. And we have the Most High here. The Most High is putting this person through some sort of death and rebirth or something like that. Or it could be you that's going through a death and rebirth. Place it whatever way it need to be placed. But I'm seeing like there's an energy of conflict, that somebody might be putting up a fight. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing some sort of conflict here. This could also talk about the Most High putting an ending to a situation with someone because they, probably bring a lot of chaos, confusion, and conflict to a situation. One more for trusted. And I'm seeing an energy of, you guys receiving some sort of news. This is a news in regards to like finances, some sort of financial stability, some sort of security or something financially that you guys will be receiving news in regards to. Let's go ahead and clarify this Earth Angel. Earth Angel. Clarifying Earth Angel is opportunities, choices, possibilities, so many cups to choose from, so many options to choose from. Mm. I'm seeing that there's some sort of injustice here. Clarifying this Earth Angel. It looks like there is definitely some sort of injustice. Wait a minute. Clarify this Earth Angel. I'm seeing the energy of somebody experiencing some sort of tower moment. I feel like this person, there's, again, like I said, there's some sort of options, choices, some sort of, someone possibly think that it's some sort of wish fulfillment, but I'm seeing like someone creating or causing some sort of injustice towards an Earth Angel, and they're experiencing some sort of tower moment because of the choices that they have made. Okay, Earth Angel. That's what I'm seeing here. The Earth Angel, clarify Earth Angel. I'm seeing someone moving forward. There's an energy of the Chariot where someone is moving forward. Someone's overcoming some sort of blockage or overcoming some sort of, yeah, blockage or boundary. Something that was possibly be meant to block you or create some sort of blockage for you. I'm seeing you overcoming that. And there's a new beginning here with the Ace of Cups. You extending some sort of new beginning or extending something twice as more than what you would have had previously that was possibly, interfered with. Where your cup is definitely overflowing. I'm seeing an energy of you guys receiving assistance. There's an energy of you receiving some sort of assistance. This is like a benevolent energy coming in to assist you, is what I'm seeing here. After some sort of betrayal or some sort of deceit. Because didn't I say somebody deceived Earth Angel? Lied, cheated, stole, possibly manipulated an Earth Angel energy. Anything else? Mm. And it looked like it took some time though, because it seems like everything was operating or moving in divine timing with this Knight of Pentacles, but nonetheless, there's an energy of perseverance here. Things still work out in your favor. It took patience, especially when it came to things balancing out for you. Anything else for the Divine Space family? Oh, yeah, it took required patience because it seems like somebody didn't want you to leave. There was the energy of someone trying to keeping you from leaving or keeping you from going or something like that, trying to keep you to stay, keep you to stay or something like that. And I'm seeing opportunities here. Yeah, I feel like this person was actually moving impulsively as well, but I'm seeing things rushing in very quickly. I'm seeing some sort of wish fulfillment. I'm also seeing an energy of like star energy. There's an energy of like healing, healer. You being the star of the show and somebody's watching, keeping an eye on you, being curious, didn't wonder what you got going on, what you doing, and things like that. hmm Whoever this person is, they're coming out as the emperor, or this person is watching an emperor. I'm seeing possibly being curious about who you in a connection with and all types of things. Yeah, there's an energy of somebody feeling like they're at a loss. There's an energy of feeling unwelcome and judgment being called. Their judgment was called on them. Now there's that energy of them being in this energy of confusion because they don't know what's going on. They're trying to watch you, but they can't see anything. It's like an energy of them being blindfolded. Look, it's like an energy of them being blindfolded. All right, I'm seeing an energy of you guys being happy, or there's some sort of happiness coming in. With the Sun card, there's the energy of things eliminating, things being that was hidden being shown. But nonetheless, there's energy of freedom, there's energy of joy, especially when it comes to the connections that you make. All right. With this Three of Cups, I mean, Three of Pentacles. I'm also showing the Ten of Cups out here as well. Family might be significant here. Well, like I stated before, somebody that you had a family with. Nonetheless, I'm seeing the energy of you guys moving. As the energy of moving from a connection that you may have possibly been married or who you've been married to. This could be in the physical, it could be in the spirit. Look, there's an energy of you guys having the victory, having the advantage. There's an energy of you guys being recognized, being supported, being celebrated as the wheel turn in your favor. With this Wheel of Fortune, this good luck, and you being supported, good favor. You may have been going through some things previously, but all of that has changed. Things are changing for the better for y'all. From what I'm seeing here, y'all have a good one. And then y'all got this rider. Like I said, it's like y'all moving quickly too. What did it say? Receiving news, updates, or important information in a fast pace. Expect messages, a possible encounter with a distant friend or a long awaited meeting. Development of affairs, reaching a new level, promotion, and decisive action. Okay, climbing the career ladder, achieving personal goals, and reaching a higher status. That's what I'm saying. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please,